Everyone's been asking about what we've been doing with the 63 Fairlane wagon, and we thought we'd bring you a quick update on it. It's been at Hot Rod Barry's, been doing a chunk of work on it. He's done tons of bits and pieces to it, and now we're actually getting ready towards the painting stage. We've picked a colour for it. We were going to paint it satin black, but we've decided to actually, it deserves a better coat than that. It was a hearse, so it should theoretically go back to black, but yeah, it's just too much work to paint a black car. I don't think you've ever done that, but painting a car black is a biblical job. Like, it's massive. To try and get it back all straight and tidy, it's completely crazy. So we're going to go with a different change up of colour. And to be fair, we're probably going to go with something a bit more modern, just to give it a bit of a sway, but it won't be modern as in something ridiculous. But no bog in this really, apart from a bit of straightening out. But the big change is inside. I mean, she's dusty, but this floor pan and everything has been done properly, painted all the way through, right through to the back. Cleaned up, tidied up. There was a couple of little holes that we had to repair. They've all been done, and they've been done really nicely. All seam welded in, so it's done properly. None of this American kind of like screwed in and license plates. This is properly done, this is, and you can... So I like to show people a car that's done properly, so you can get a rough idea of what it actually should look like in here. You know, all the seams are put into it. We had a big patch on the one side we took out. It was done in the 70s, but we wanted to do it a lot nicer, so we've done that again now. Good dash in this car too. So we're slowly working our way through it. As you notice, no rust or bits and pieces in the doors. You know, no bog. Like, you know, this is a good, solid, straight car. And that's because it was a hearse. Hearses tucked away most of their life, never really come outside, so they're mostly nicely dry stored cars. You know, usually we get little bits of rust in the roof and stuff, but this one's dead straight. She's really good. Anybody who's very similar to a Mustang in here, they're not identical, which is something we've done. And this is a Fairlane, it's a compact Fairlane, which is a little bit different to the other ones you see. You know, a lot of the Ford Falcons, people assume this is the same car. It's kind of not quite anyway. But it's coming along. It's a big car. It's really hard to get it all in actually, so you can see it. But we've just got problems with the tank we have to deal with. We're probably going to go with standard wheels on this, unless anybody's got any other bright ideas. Do like the old jelly bean or slot mags or whatever you like to call. But I think with this we're going to do something just probably standard steels with hubcaps, maybe 15-inch, just because they're easy to get tyres for. 14 or 15 inches with, you know, standard Ford style rims with a cap. You know, if you think there's a better option than that, let me know. But the tank was pretty rough. That's currently going through some work, and then that'll be done. Of course, most of the people looking at this, you won't realise that this is actually a right-hand drive car. Struggling to find a decent 302 for it. If you've got one in a C4, or if you've got a 221, 260, 289, whatever, got any of those, especially if you've got a 3-speed manual gearbox for it, because this car is a 3-pedal car, unusual in a hearse. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen another manual hearse, but this is one. So I don't know why that somebody would have ordered that. Brand new in Wanganui, this car. Yeah, you can't actually see our floor pan work because we do it so you can't see it. But this car is coming along really well. You know, we might have to do a little bit of rust proofing just in the doors from the last bits we do. I'll cavity wax this car so it'll stay like really good forever. But she is a beauty, really is. So once we fill this spot in here, that'll be good. We paint all the engine bay, of course, as well. Patched under the battery tray where they always go. Right, you can see, nicely done. You know, all seam welded in. We'll grind it down a little bit and tidy it up just a bit more further. This car has a strut brace on it. I don't know if that was factory or not. If you know, let me know. And like I said, it was Ford 302 powered forever. So that's a sort of quick update, really. Hope you enjoyed it. And next time you see this car, it will be painted. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like to like and subscribe, it doesn't cost you anything. It's totally free, and at least I know where I'm going the right way on the videos. So thanks very much for watching, and hope you enjoy it.